Hey guys, hope you are all doing well. Shall we continue to learn about parallel and transversal lines? Hope you have watched part 1 of this video. If you haven't, please watch part 1 to continue with part 2. You can use the same model that we have prepared in the previous video. Along with the model, use a 30 cm long thread. Take a 30 cm long thread and tie it to a 20 cm long broomstick as shown. Make sure that 20 cm long sticks are parallel to each other. Hold the model with one hand as shown and try to pull the thread towards you. Notice how the papers are moving. Let's consider the papers as angles. With the model prepared and the angles formed, let's learn some axioms and theorems. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. As you can see here, there are 4 pairs. If a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. If transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. As you can see here, there are 2 pairs. If a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. If a transversal line intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary. As you can see here, there are 2 pairs. If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. Now, hold the thread and pull it up as shown. You will notice that none of the angles are equal. This means that if a transversal line is not intersecting parallel lines, the angles formed are not equal. Play with the model to explore more theorems and axioms related to parallel and transversal lines. Hope you guys have learned about axioms and theorems related to parallel and transversal lines. Thank you for watching. This is Tan90 signing off.